The cost of running a business in Denmark can vary significantly depending on the type of business, its size, location, and several other factors. So let's start with the beginning. When opening a business in Denmark, there are registration and setup costs, which can include fees for registering your company, obtaining necessary licenses and permits, and some legal and administrative costs. Those can vary depending on the legal structure of your business. So, in case of a sole trader, the registration itself is free, but in case, for instance, APS, the registration fee will be 670 Danish crowns. Denmark also has a high tax rate, including corporate income tax, which is currently 22% on profits. Also, you have to consider the VIT tax, value added tax, which is from 0 to 25%. But most of the businesses will pay 25%. 0 is a special rate, for instance, for healthcare services, and those are exceptions. The rule is 25%. If you are planning to employ people, also those types of costs might come up. Denmark is known for its high labor costs due to generous employee benefits and a strong social welfare system. Employers are required to contribute to pension plans, provide paid leave, and generally pay for health insurance for their employees. And when you're planning to have an office, the cost of renting or purchasing it will be very much different in different parts of Denmark. The most expensive would be Copenhagen, when the office for today's prices would cost from 10,000 Danish crowns up. And in case of smaller places like Aalborg, you may pay, for instance, 6,000 or 5,000 Danish crowns for the office. And if you have it, also the utilities might come up. Some costs as electricity, water, internet can be relatively high, but it depends on the size and location as well. Another group of important costs are related to marketing and advertising to promote your business. And here, what to say, sky is the limit. But in fact, the rule that most of our customers say works well for them is 10% of the income should go to marketing expenses. Also, Denmark is having a strong emphasis on the employees' development. So you might potentially need to invest in training and some kind of development of your employees, because people here are used to that they have some courses, they are learning new things all the time. So it's important to know that Denmark's business environment is famous for its stability, transparency, and the ease of doing business, but it's also one of the most expensive places to do business in the world. Many companies in Denmark benefit from a well-educated workforce, a strong infrastructure, and a high standard of living. But those advantages often they come with high operational costs. And the specific cost you will have will depend on the nature of your business and its location in Denmark. So I would advise you to check out the local situation on the rental market and also about the price for the labor force, because there will be different salary for someone in Aalborg or some rural area in Denmark in comparison with someone working from Copenhagen. If you have any questions about running a company in Denmark, feel free to get in touch with us. We wish you best of luck with your business in Denmark.